Hi, this is Motorola Moto G54 5G and I'll show you how to customize AOD option on this device. Open first the Muviz Edge app and here click to AOD section. Select one from the options, one from the tabs and tap to apply. You could add or change here the backgrounds. For example, let's use this one, tap to apply. We could also change music controls options to hide them after 10 seconds or just to don't hide them, to change notification and calendar options, and to change battery status like always while charging or never. Let's go back. Switch AOD to the settings and tap to always on display. Click on the switcher to activate or turn off the AOD option. Show it on lock screen always while device charging or on music. We could decrease and increase the brightness level by the slide to the left or to the right side this whiteout. Also we can switch the AOD timeout from 5 seconds to never. Low power after timeout. We could switch screen orientation to close it by double or single tap on the lock screen, to close it on fingerprint on screen off, to set the shadow, the start and end time, and to use burn-in protection and pocket modes. And also we could disable the AOD option during the calls. So that's it, that's how to customize AOD option on now one Motorola phone. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.